The name of this bay is Kealakekua Bay. Isn't it pretty? When Captain James Cook first came to the Hawaiian Islands, it was in 1776. And he did some exploring and then went on his way. And then he came back again. And apparently there was an incident revolving a skiff that the Hawaiians took, and Captain Cook decided he was going to kidnap one of the Hawaiian chiefs until he got his skiff back. Well, lo and behold, the Hawaiians went to war with him and his ship, and he was killed. The Hawaiians took a war club to his skull. My understanding is that this is the bay he was killed in. And that is a monument to Captain James Cook. He died here February 14th, 1779.